Hi, this is Jamie for GearVest. As you all might have noticed, I'm wearing two watches today, which leads to today's product. This one on my left arm, the Lenovo Watch X. Not the left one here, it's just my watch, but it's also very pretty, but that's not really the topic here, so I'm gonna get rid of my own watch. So back to Lenovo Watch X. As you can see here, which while I'm taking it off, it's the strap that makes it so special. The strap here is not the traditional kind, it's the metallic strap, easy adjusting, and it's actually hold very strong than it looks like. It could actually wave your arm. It's a metallic strap, easy adjusting, and it actually holds much stronger than it looks. You could wave your arm as hard as you want, but it will still hold just fine. One of the selling points this watch has is its huge battery. 600 milliamp, branding as 45 days standby time when fully charged. Besides a huge battery capacity, it got all the other smartwatches have. Heart rate monitor, pedometer, sedentary reminder, sleep monitor, alarm, Bluetooth, and low battery reminder. Some factor that's worth mentioning here, the alarm here is vibratable, not sure the right word, but it means that the Watch X itself vibrates when the alarm was on. It's like an extra reminder for you. And it's anti-loss system. Watch X is synchronized to your phone, which vibrates when it's over 10 meters away from your phone. It could be a little bit annoying when it constantly reminding you that your watch is out of the range, but it's good to keep your watch on site. One last factor before I wrap this video up is the remote camera equipped on Watch X. Photos could be taken quickly on its app camera interface with just one small press right here, or a quick shake like this. That's it for Lenovo Watch X. This is Jamie, I'll see you next time.